But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Let's get stop. If I let Blitz go ahead and do what he gonna do.
Him out with DOZER. He know what to do.
Okay.
You let him do it. That's right, Rob. Don't let him poke you.
Blitz. If I let Blitz go, he gonna get on him.
Oh no, he's not.
Yeah, all right. Get off him. Get your ass off of him. Blitz is displaying what is known as dominant behavior. Notice how he's marking, notice how his tail is up, notice how he's focusing on Ra.
Stay on that butt. Don't let him get on. Let him know. He might be older. He ain't gonna punch you.
Ra! Ra! All right. You want to see a whole nother side of Blitz? You want to see a whole nother side of Blitz again? Ra, Blitz don't play. He don't play. He don't even know what you're trying to do right now. Hey! Shut up. The whole yard crunk because y'all out here together. This is why I don't let Blitz out with nobody. Change the whole energy of the whole yard. Because he want to be all amped up. Trying to posture somebody. Don't do it, Blitz! Asshole. Ah, you boy, get on my man. Dominant all over the place. Ugh. Stop! Hey! God damn it. Oh, fucking yard off. Sure, yeah, whatever. Man, go in the house and go eat and mind y'all business. Notice how quiet it is? Because Blitz is in the house. No more turn up. Everybody's turned down. And my wife's back out here, so they might turn up again. Part of it is her.
You what?
I was explaining why the energy was the way it was, and why when certain dogs is out, certain people's not out here, the energy is different. That DOZER raw KASHMIR down over there somewhere. The Blitz is gone.
So mean.
Ain't me, it's just real, man. Something wrong with that boy. He's dominant, man. All you want to do is assert his dominance.
Napoleon.
Yeah, he Napoleon, all right.
Mommy got y'all. You gotta wait for the big dogs to go inside. Then I wait for you to do that.
Getting ready to upload the next video. Probably see several videos before you see this one. The one I'm recording. What's today, the 19th? December 19th? Yeah. I'm about to upload a video from November 25th. Almost a month ago. Well, you filthy. Got all they slobber on them and they ain't laid in the dirt. And those only worried about one thing.
Thanks for letting us know, though. You outnumbered. Those part of the original 6 really beat up.
Tried to mount her.
Yeah. On the slide.
It's like, keep it distracted, Ra.
But he ain't even worried about rock.
I wouldn't trust this activity with any other males. I know little man be ready to kill something. Just saw how BLITZ was acting. And those out here too. Well, so boom. It might could work. I ain't in the mood to be breaking up no 100-pound dogs. Plus my hands is full. I gotta have my hands free. Girl, you don't know what you doing.
Okay.
Pup's getting big.
You okay?
Y'all done? See, I could do that with them.
You use my words. You got mad at me for saying it, but now you use it.
Let's talk about it. That was you, Lane.
Rito.
Did it? She done. She want it back in. She will bring her back out. You ain't interested no more. She was in heat, yo. Trying to do a breeding with her and little man sometime next week. So when she starts bleeding, starts flagging, try and get a natural tie done on her. Unfortunately, Kitaka did not take after doing the surgical, so they gave us contact information for a reproductive specialist, and I believe they said, what did the reproductive specialist say, or they said that it's going to cost just to look at her, Kitaka? $1,000 just to look at her. I have no idea what they're going to do. I've been in a state of depression ever since, for about, I don't know, a week or two. After, years of trying to get her bred, and, her grandfather was the reason I got into it, but it's also Ogun's grandfather as well, but Kitaka's a female. Yeah, she said to run testing on her, but to have the main female that I got into this for not be fertile, it was really devastating. I basically been trying to find a way to keep going, despite the fact. What?
I said your wife hold it down.
Oh yeah. My wife was taking care of the dogs while I was in my state of depression, making sure. For those of y'all that don't know, I do suffer from major depression, among other things. So I was really out of it. I wasn't eating. I really wasn't doing anything really but sleeping.
See, that's how you know when somebody's in it to be in it, and not in it just to be around you. Because when you said I'm done, I'm like, okay, yeah, let's go, let's get it done. Let's get rid of them. I was like, okay. And I just took care of it. Right or wrong.
Ain't no reason to be around me. I ain't rich.
But you understand what I'm saying? There's a difference.
I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay. You got some people that's in a relationship or married just to be. And you got some people that's there to support the person and what they're trying to do, what they want to do.
Okay.
So I'm looking at it like this. You always say, I don't help out with the dogs, I don't do this. I don't do a lot of the physical stuff, correct. But when it's time for me to do it, I step up and do it.
Right.
When you said that you was done, you don't want to do this anymore, I'm like, okay, so what we going to do with the dogs? We won't be getting rid of them. Mm-hmm. Instead, I stepped up and took care.
Yeah.
As I'm saying, I'm in it for them and you. And I just here. If you think I am. And you just think I'm here just to be here.
In the midst of all that, found out Sheba was in heat. I don't know if you can tell or not. She swelled up. After going to fancy go in the house, that'll be the last of the dogs, and then let everybody out a couple times.
And take care of the pups. And
Take care of the pups and these older pups back here. And little man, and we'll be good for the day. Oh yeah, and Bose.
Are you done?
Update on Bose. Bose, I couldn't even tell they even had parvo. So aside from that test of them testing positive and that little bit of throw up that he had was covered in that clear slime that they get. I really he just did so well. Recovered so well.
He stayed the same.
Stayed the same.
Appetite.
Everything, appetite, drinking, everything was just normal. So it's been, shoot, I don't know what, 2 weeks now?
Yeah. Last Friday made a week.
Last Friday made a week?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, made a week? Oh, last Friday, yeah.
Yeah, it made this
Friday.
week out.
Right, so this week makes 14 days.
Yeah.
This Friday. So, I'll check y'all later. That's Bose right there. Still quarantined, but you know, he did just fine. Peace.